Picture this, a beautifully plated tuna salad with crisp greens, juicy tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette dressing, perfect for a summer lunch. The tantalizing aroma beckons you closer, promising a burst of flavors with each bite. But have you ever paused to wonder about the journey of that delectable tuna? From the depths of the ocean to your plate? Today, we embark on a captivating voyage to uncover the secrets behind the production process of canned tuna. Get ready to deep dive into a story filled with tradition, innovation, and a touch of environmental awareness that will leave you appreciating every bite of this oceanic delight. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. Our story begins in the early 20th century, when preserving food was a necessity for long voyages and feeding growing populations. Albert P. Halfhill, a visionary entrepreneur with a knack for innovation. It was 1903, and Halfhill, inspired by the Spanish methods of preserving sardines, pondered the idea of canning tuna. He saw potential in this abundant fish and decided to give it a shot. Imagine Halfhill in his makeshift kitchen, sleeves rolled up, experimenting with various techniques to can tuna. It wasn't smooth sailing initially. There were probably a few kitchen explosions, a lot of fishy mess. But through persistence and ingenuity, Halfhill perfected the process, and the first commercially viable canned tuna was born. During World War II, canned tuna became an essential source of protein for soldiers. By the 1920s, it had swum its way into American homes, becoming a staple for families seeking quick and nutritious meals. The post-war boom in the 1950s saw canned tuna reaching new heights of popularity as housewives embraced its convenience and versatility. Tuna casseroles, salads, and sandwiches became everyday favorites, cementing canned tuna's place in American culinary history. Now let's embark on the most exciting part of our journey, the production process of canned tuna. Our adventure begins in the deep blue waters, where skilled fishermen use a method called purse seining. This technique involves encircling a school of tuna with a large net and then drawing it closed like a drawstring purse. It's an impressive sight, as thousands of fish are captured in one go. Fun fact, the largest tuna ever caught weighed a staggering 1,496 pounds. Quiz time! What's your favorite way to enjoy tuna? Is it in a salad, sandwich, or straight out of the can? Share your go-to recipe in the comments below. Curious about how the tuna stays fresh from the moment it's caught until it reaches the processing plant? Once caught, the tuna is quickly transferred to refrigerated seawater tanks on the fishing vessels to maintain its freshness. These tanks can hold up to 50 tons of fish, ensuring the tuna arrives at the processing facility in prime condition. The journey from sea to shore typically takes less than 48 hours, a crucial time frame to preserve the quality of the fish. How do the professionals turn freshly caught tuna into the clean, ready-to-cook loins we see in stores? Upon arrival at the processing plant, the tuna undergoes a meticulous cleaning process. Skilled workers, often with years of experience, swiftly remove the head, tail, and internal organs. The fish is then cut into large loins. Precision and speed are key here, with a single worker capable of processing up to 60 fish per hour. Next up is the cooking phase. The tuna loins are placed in large steam ovens and cooked at high temperatures for about 45 minutes. This step not only kills any bacteria, but also enhances the flavor. Once cooked, the loins are rapidly cooled to preserve their texture and taste. The cooling process can take up to 2 hours to ensure the fish retains its optimal quality. Ever curious about what goes into the canning process to ensure your tuna stays fresh and tasty for years? Finally, we reach the canning stage. The cooled loins are inspected for quality, then packed into cans along with brine, oil, or water. The cans are sealed and subjected to a rigorous sterilization process, heating them to over 250 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure they are safe for consumption. This process guarantees a shelf life of up to 5 years. Have you ever tried different varieties of canned tuna, like those packed in olive oil or flavored with herbs? Tell us your favorite in the comments. While we relish the convenience of canned tuna, it's essential to recognize the environmental impact of tuna fishing. Overfishing and bycatch, unintended species caught during fishing, pose significant threats to marine ecosystems. Thankfully, many companies are adopting sustainable practices, such as using dolphin-safe nets and supporting marine conservation efforts. By choosing tuna certified by organizations like the Marine Stewardship Council, consumers can contribute to protecting our oceans. Thank you for joining us in the production process of canned tuna. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.